Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. Today we're looking at proving identities in your trigonometry. So in today's identity, we're going to say which one is the simplest to simplify, or it's easier to simplify. The left-hand side doesn't look convincing for me, so I will choose the right-hand side. Yeah, the right-hand side looks like we'll need some further manipulation. It's easy to manipulate. As for the right-hand side, manipulation is limited. So let me just take it. I will say the right-hand side equals minus 1 over tan square x cos square x. We know tan is sine over cosine. So this will then be minus 1 over sine square x over cos square x multiplied by cos square x. Now, as you can see, the cosines will cancel, right? They will cancel, and therefore that means we have negative 1 over sine square x. Let me go to the next page. So we have negative 1 over sine square x. So again, sine square x, there's an identity that we use which says sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This means sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So in place of sine square x, we will say this becomes 1 minus cos square x. Okay, this will become 1 minus cos square x. So I do see that this somehow could be reduced to cos square x minus 1 when you use the foreign method. So as you can see, it seems like cosines must be positive. So here, the cosine is negative. So my manipulation of it will be negative 1 over, I'm going to take negative as a common factor for the denominator, which will be minus open bracket cos square x minus 1. Now this further simplifies to 1 over cos square x minus 1. All right? Now, this is a difference of two squares, okay? It's a difference of two squares, so it will be 1 over cos x plus 1 multiplied by cos x minus 1, okay? So it is equal to the left-hand side, all right? It is equal to the left-hand side. So this means you were able to prove this identity. Let's go back to confirm. Yes, indeed, it is equal to the left-hand side. So you see, you are now able to prove this identity. All right? Okay, so if you got lost here, remember I said common factor here is negative. If you get lost, I'm basically saying common factor here, let's say it's negative, and to get positive 1, I must multiply it with negative 1. And to get positive cos x, I must multiply this negative with positive cos. All right? And this is similar to saying as well. All right? It's the same thing. Hence, I did this. Okay? And this is the difference of two squares. Let me put a comment here. This is difference of two squares. Even though I didn't write it down, I was saying it's difference of two squares. Okay? So difference of two squares, you write it like this. Okay? And this is it, guys. And this is how you solve the question. So bye-bye.